Hey folks, Colin from Aitum here. Have you ever wanted the ability to have a death counter on your stream relating to the game you're playing, which can be controlled by you or any of your moderators? Now you can. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly set up a chat command for you or your moderators to use with the ability of adding or subtracting towards a death counter on your stream. First of all, you want to head on over to aitum.tv/imports. Scroll down and hit the download button next to the automatic death counter item, and then click on the download in the Google Drive. Next, open up OBS. Select the scene you want to have your counter on, then add a text source within that scene. Select the font style you wish to have for it, and some placeholder text for the time being. This will get updated later. Once you've done this, it's time to load up Aitum. Inside Aitum, head to the Rules section and click on the Import/Export button on the top right. Select Import and then drag or select the file we have just downloaded before. Inside the Import wizard, select your OBS integration and the text source we just added in. On the next step, enter your chat commands for you or your mods to use for adding or removing from the counter. For example, !death add and !death remove. Remember, these are case sensitive, so they will have to match perfectly in your chat. And finally, on the last step, select what you'd like the label to be, for example, Deaths Today. Make sure to leave a space at the end of this, for there needs to be the accurate amount of space in between the label and the counter. Don't forget to hit the reset rule before anything to make sure that the label is set correctly before going live. You can also test the rule by going to your own chat and putting in the command yourself. And look at that, you can now track how much of a sweat you are within your favourite Dark Souls game, or how much of a fail you are on your most beloved Battle Royale. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or if you have created something very cool to show us, feel free to join the Discord or follow our Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.